Hello, in this video I want to show you all available gestures and motions on a Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. And to do this, first we'll need to open our settings, then scroll down and locate advanced features. Inside we can see motions and gestures, and here's all of them. Now let's see how they work. First one is lift to wake, and it allows you to turn on the screen when you pick up your phone. So let's activate it. We need to lock our device, then pick it up with a grip, and it should wake the screen without touching any buttons. But as you can see, it's kind of weird feature. Since it doesn't work perfectly, it needs to detect that you have it in your hand. Like this. Then let's move on to the next one. Double tap to turn on screen and double tap to turn off screen. We need to lock our device again, and then double tap onto the screen to wake it up, and then double tap again to lock it down. And it also works when you're on the home screen. It won't work in most of the apps, but here if we double tap, it will turn off our screen. Next one is alert when phone is picked up. Your phone will vibrate when you pick it up after a missing call or message. So that means if you receive any call or message and you pick up your phone, it should vibrate to let you know that you previously received one of those messages or calls. Then there's mute with gesture. Mute incoming calls and alarms by putting your hand over the screen or turning your phone face down. So if you put your phone upside down, that means screen to the table, it should mute all incoming calls. It will basically enter DND mode, do not disturb mode. But if we click on it, I think we should, okay, no. So if you want to mute incoming calls, then you just need to cover up the camera with your hand and it will basically mute that call. Then there's palm swipe to capture. Swipe the edge of the screen across the screen to take a screenshot. And it works like this. And you take a screenshot. This is also a very weird function, and it's really hard sometimes to take that kind of the screenshot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.